This elevator is so slow. We're going to be late for the meeting. Relax, Sarah. We still have 10 minutes. 10 minutes? It takes 5 minutes just for this elevator to start moving. At least it's not stuck. Yet. Don't jinx it, buddy. Okay. By the way, did you prepare your presentation? Of course I did. I finished it last night. What about you? I was going to prepare. But then Netflix happened. Are you kidding me? You didn't prepare at all. Don't worry. I'll just wing it. I'm good at improvising. Oh sure, that's what you said last time, and you ended up talking about pizza during a sales pitch. Hey, everyone loves pizza. Jessica, this is serious. If we mess up today, the boss will kill us. Relax. If the boss gets mad, I'll distract him with my charm. Charm? You? That's a new one. Wow, Sarah. That hurts. Good. Maybe it'll motivate you to actually work next time. You know, this elevator is kind of boring. They should add some music or decorations. Focus, Jessica. What are we going to do about your part of the presentation? Okay, how about this? You do your part, and then I'll summarize everything at the end. Summarize? That's the easiest part. Exactly. Work smarter, not harder. I can't believe I'm stuck in this elevator with you. Hey, it's not so bad. At least I'm funny. Hilarious. You're so mean to me, Sarah. Because you drive me crazy. That's my job. Seriously, why is this elevator taking so long? Maybe it's testing our patience. If this elevator had a face, I'd punch it. Finally it's going to open. Relax, there's still some time left for the meeting to start. Jessica. What are you doing now? I'm thirsty, Sarah. Relax. Thirsty? We're already late, and you're stopping for water? It's important to stay hydrated. Hydrated? Jessica, we have a meeting in less than 2 minutes. And I can't think straight if I'm dehydrated. You want me to faint in the meeting? Oh yes, because that's exactly what we need right now, a dramatic fainting scene. Alright, let's go.